Victims need villains. I hope you can see my Batman. I have my bat signal behind me. And think about Batman without the villain. There is no Batman without the Joker or the Riddler or the Penguin or whoever he's fighting with or dealing with, right? He needs a villain. He needs a bad guy to be the superhero. In life, what we do is we become victims in the situation. Batman was not a victim. He's trying to fix it, right? But most people become victims. And in order to be a victim, I have to find a villain. I have to find a bad guy to focus my energy and attention on, or project, really. So what you're really doing is, when you're being a victim, is I'm projecting my energy out onto somebody else or blaming somebody else for the situation that I'm in. And what most people love to do, and I've seen this throughout my whole career doing this work, is they want to find somebody they can call up to validate their story. So you have to call somebody up. Oh, this happened with my boss or my boyfriend or my girlfriend or whatever. And then that person or that friend commiserates with you and says, oh, yeah, you're right. I can't believe they treated you like that. Those people are terrible, whatever the case. Now, this is, I'm going to tell you 100% the wrong thing to do, because, well, it's the right thing to do if you want to be a victim. It's the wrong thing to do if you want to elevate yourself. What you want to do is understand that as long as I'm projecting that energy out onto others, I am taking away my own power and I'm not moving into empowerment. Be aware of, is this something you do? You have to be honest with yourself. Anytime you take the onus off yourself, you are weakening your energy field and you're weakening yourself. You're not owning it. You're not saying, hey, I put myself here. I don't want to blame somebody else. I want to deal with my feelings. What are my emotional issues? What are my feelings that have placed me in this position? And it's time for me to get empowered. So you want to be Batman and you want to say, I'm going to take it, I'm going to deal with it. I'm going to move past it. I'm going to go through it. I'm going to make sure that I step up to the plate and stop being a victim. And especially now, as we are ascending, if you hold yourself in victim energy, you won't be able to go forward. So be honest and say, are you projecting this out? If you are, just stop doing it. Look at yourself and how you feel. That's going to help you move forward in a powerful way. So don't forget, get your bat signal ready. You are ready to step into power.